Hello viewers, we are in lecture 3 of compiler design. Today we will study about cousins of compiler. So the cousins of compiler are all those part of a compiler which are included in converting the high level language to the low level language. This is called a cousins of compiler. So the first cousin of compiler is preprocessor. Preprocessor take the source code and convert it into pre-processed code. The second cousin of compiler is compiler, which take pre-processed code and convert it into target assembly code. The third cousin of compiler is assembler, which take target assembly code and convert it into reallocatable machine code. And then loader and linker take the reallocatable machine language and convert it into executable machine language, which finally stored into the memory, such as RAM, ROM, these all executable machine code stored in a memory. So now these all above are the cousins of compiler which we are studying now. So by mistake, again I explained from the compiler that compiler take the pre-processed code and convert it into a target assembly code, and then assembler take the target assembly code and convert into a reallocatable machine code, and then loader linker take the reallocatable machine code into the executable machine code, and finally it's stored into the memory such as RAM, ROM, and anything. These all store are in a memory. This is known as the cousins of compiler, and now we will study about the function, that what are the function of preprocessor, compiler, assembler, loader, linker, and memory. So here the first function, here first we will study about the function of the preprocessor. The first function of preprocessor is remove comments. The program contain the comments like such that which is not included in program, but we usually write in a program. This say the function of a compiler is to remove this. So in a program the preprocessor used to remove this, and the process all the processor directives such as denoted by hash. Uh, Preprocessor also remove the directive such as in C we use hashtag include, stdioh. These all are the directives that we use. So preprocessor used to remove this. And the second cousin of compiler is compiler itself, which convert high level language to low level language. High level language contains C, C++, and low level language contain of assembly code. Means C++ and Java, these are the high level language which is finally converted into a low level language called assembly language, which was converted by compiler. So these are the function of the preprocessor and compiler.